Alright, so we are still on setting up our project. In our previous lesson, we got to know that our project settings with our app worked successfully, and so we got our app running with a code like hello world, and then this is the beginning of our app, a text which our website shows. So we are going to set up other things now. Another thing to set up is the static files. The static files will contain our CSS, our images, and then our JS files. So to do that, we are going to create a folder with the name static. So we come back to our command prompt, and then we write a code like mkdir static. So this folder will also be created for us. When we go to our VS Code, our static is now created for us. Now we should then add it to the project. So we move on to our project folder, which is my store, and then go to settings. When you scroll down, you will see that there is a first thing that has been created by Django. This was already created for the project, so we're going to just allow it, and then we are going to add our static root. So we say static underscore root, then we set it to os.path.join os.path.join, then base directory, then we set it to static files. So you see we have static files somewhere here in the installed app, so it's going to take care of our static, and then we will now create another one, static files directory. Okay, and this is going to be a tuple, so like it's going to be in a bracket. So we're just going to start with a bracket and say os.path.join, and then base underscore directory, and then we say static, and then we leave a comma after it. Okay, like this. So this is where we are going to put our static, that is our CSS, images, and then JS files. Alright, now when it comes to images, the images we are going to put there in the static are going to be static images that will come up with our project. So we're talking about our logo, our backgrounds, and other things, but there's a need for us to set up another folder which is going to contain other files that will be uploaded from the admin, such as music, videos, items. So we are going to upload items onto our system, so images of maybe mobile phones that we are going to sell on the platform. We should have a separate folder that is going to contain it, and that is the media folder. So we go to our command prompt and create mkdir media. Okay, and then our media folder will also be created. We will now also set it up right here, like media underscore URL, set it to os.path.join, and then we call it /media/. It's going to be in quotes, so just add it here. Okay, and then we set the last one, which is media underscore root, and it's also going to be os.path.join, static. Okay, static Oh, sorry, static URL. This one is not part of it. So we just bring them up here. So this is where what we need right now. So we have os.path.join base underscore DRL, then call it media. Alright, like this. Great. So that one is also set up successfully. Now the other things we should do, and that will come up in our next lesson.